Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last video I have shown you how to send an email with the help of your Windows Form application in C Sharp. In this video I will show you how to attach attachments or any file like PDF or text or any attachment in your email using C Sharp. So let's get started. If you haven't watched my last video, just watch it because I will use the same code as the last video and I will add just the new code for the attachment in this code. So what I will do is I will take a text box for attaching the attachment, and I will take a label and I will change the label text as attachment, and I will change the name of my text box as attachment 1 because this is our first attachment. Okay, so just change the name. Now go to this send button action perform method, so just double click it, and this code we have written last time for sending the email, right? So in this code, just after you declared this client SMTP client variable, or just above this client variable, just after the declaration of this mail message variable, which is mail in our case, I will just copy it, and after just this declaration I will paste this mail, and I will add dot attachments dot add, and in the bracket and bracket closed, and in this bracket what I will do is I will add new attachment, and then in the bracket I will pass whatever path which is present in my attachment text field. So I will copy the name of my attachment, which is attachment 1, once again to the code, and I will copy it and paste it here, dot text. Okay, so mail dot attachment dot add new attachment, and in the bracket pass your attachment dot text. Now for selecting your attachment we can make a button, so take a button from here, and instead of this label I will change its text as attach, and I can place it here, and when I double click this button I should be able to choose the path of the file. So we can use it with the help of open file dialog. So if you're watching this video series, I have already told you, or I have already shown you how to use open file dialog with your C Sharp application. So I'm just copying and pasting this code for open file dialog, and you can just watch the video in which I have shown this code to you for opening a file. Okay, and I will just copy this attachment and paste it here. So write this code for attaching your file and showing in it into your attach text box. So this is the name of my attach text box dot text, and I'm passing the path to my attached text box. Okay, so like this. And if you want to add some filter to your open file dialog, you can just add the filter, so it will filter for some file like JPG or PDF or PNG, whatever you like. I'm just commenting this code. So let's see my code works or not. I just click this attach button, and I want to send this text file, so I will click it, and it takes the path and copies into my attach text box. Okay, now I will give the user from to subject attachment, for example SMTP server, so smtp.gmail.com. I think that was the SMTP server. And then your username, which is same as your email ID, and then the password. And I will give some content, so maybe attachment itself and some text. And then I will click this send button, send, and my mail is sent with the attachment. So let's check my mail contains the attachment or not. So I go to my email, so I can see my text attachment here, which I have attached with my file, and it shows me the attachment which I attached. So attachment is successful. Now I will show you how to add multiple attachments. So for example, you want to add more than one attachment, then what can you do? Just go to your code. I delete this attachment file because label, so because I don't need it. I will take one more text box here, and I will name it as attachment 2. Okay, so this was attachment 1. I copy it, and once again in the attachment 2 text box I change the name as attachment 2. Okay, and I will take one more button, so I change this attach as attach 1 because that was my attachment 1, and for the second attachment I change the button text as attach 2, for example. And I will just double click this attach 2 button, and I will just give the same code as I have used in attach 1, right? I just need to change this text box name, which is attachment 2 for attach 2 button. Okay, just change this text, and in your send code, which is this send code, just double click it, and wherever you have written this attach code here, just copy it and paste it here, and just change this attach 1 to attach 2 because it will take the attachment from second attachment, right? Now when you run the program, and now I will attach first attachment, so for example this text once again, and second attachment, which will be, for example, for example this PNG file, so a text file and a PNG file, right? Now the from attribute to and the username is same. In my case you can change them, and then subject you can write multi attachment. Server name is smtp.gmail.com and the password, and the text you can write anything. So okay, now I'm ready to send the email with two attachments. So I click this send attachment button, send button, and it gives me some error. So let's see what is it. So what I have done is I have in this mail attachment code, after this attachment one dot text, I have added two string to this code, and in the second attachment also two string. So just change this code for the attachment, and I run the code once again. I attach the same file once again here, and I provided the same username, password, and subject, and this body. And when I click this send message button, it sends the email. So multi attachment it sends. So let's check if the email is received or not. So if you can see here, the email is already received. I open it and it shows me the image and it shows me the text file. So both attachment are successfully sent. So in this way you can send multiple attachment with your C# application. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.